Hi, and welcome to the Sugatsune workshop. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the ESR-DC4513 and the ESR-SC4513, which are drawer slides that are stainless steel and they have a soft close mechanism. The SC has a soft close mechanism and the DC doesn't. So first let's identify. If it does have a soft close mechanism, you will have blue or red stopper. The red is on the right side, goes to the right side, and the blue goes to the left side. Once you identify which one goes where, to detach the arms, or the extending arms, make sure that you're fully extended and that you're pulling that lever down. Now you're able to detach it. That's pretty standard for drawer slides. However, when you try to put this back in, this side will usually be, this side will be on the cavity side, while this side will be on your drawer side. Make sure that this ball bearing carrier is all the way to the front and engage with the stopper. You can do that, and now it doesn't move as easily. Now you can go ahead and slide in the extending arm. You will see it go all the way to the middle. Once you hear that click, that means this other side got engaged, and it soft closes. Sometimes we see a lot of people having trouble with installing these in the field because we try to do it with the carrier somewhere in the middle, and when you're putting it in and you're, of course the drawer is holding this side and you're trying to eyeball aim where it would go, this can damage the drawer side. You don't want that to happen. So to avoid that, especially these two first ball bearings are the ones that get damaged the most, always make sure that this is to the front, and even if you can't see it, this will go right into place. I hope this was helpful to you. See you next time.